Hey y'all, this is a rock cycle quiz. It's 10 questions. If you can be sure to put your name on it somewhere, either at the top or down here in the space at the bottom. All right, we'll go ahead and get started. Number 1, what will happen to sandstone, a sedimentary rock, when it's exposed to extreme heat and pressure? A, it will erode. B, it will become an igneous rock. C, it will crystallize. Or D, it will become a metamorphic rock. Number 2, which of these best describes the relationship between the inner core, outer core, mantle, crust, asthenosphere, and lithosphere? F, the coolest layers are furthest from the core. G, the least dense layers are closest to the core. H, the layers with the highest concentration of metals are closest to the crust. Or J, the layers that remain in a molten state are closest to the crust. Number 3. Students are investigating the rocks with fossil markings that are found in an area that was once covered by a lake. The rocks they are observing are most likely A, igneous, B, metamorphic, C, sedimentary, or D, thermic. Number 4. Which of the following best describes a process by which metamorphic rock becomes igneous rock? F, weathering into sediments, then eroding. G, compacting under pressure and cementing. H, changing shape under heat and pressure. Or J, melting completely, then cooling. Number 5. Which process best describes the formation of a sedimentary rock? A, solid rock is weathered, deposited, compacted, and cemented. B, rock is exposed to extreme heat and pressure deep in the earth. C, lava erupts from a volcano and flows down a mountain. Or D, magma cools and solidifies beneath the earth's surface. Number 6. Many mountains in the western United States were formed by volcanic activity. Over time, the movement of water changed the form of some of the rocks originally created when the magma hardened. The changing of volcanic rock by water is the process of F, erosion, G, sedimentation, H, metamorphosis, or J, compaction. Go ahead and flip it to the other side when you're ready. Number 7. Limestone is a common sedimentary rock found in Texas. Which of the following processes is responsible for the formation of limestone? A, lava from volcanic eruptions that cooled and hardened. B, oceanic deposits that were layered and cemented together. C, extreme heat and pressure inside the earth. Or D, partial melting of rocks into magma. Number 8. A student made lemon drop candy by melting sugar, water, and lemon flavoring in a saucepan until the mixture was at a very high temperature. Next, the student poured the clear yellow mixture into a baking sheet until it was cool. The process of making lemon drop candy is most like the formation of what type of rock? F, igneous, G, metamorphic, H, sedimentary, or J, conglomerate. Number 9. A rock sitting on the surface of the earth is pushed down deep into the earth over time. It's exposed to tremendous heat and pressure. Although the rock does not melt, it does change into a new type of rock. How would the new rock be classified? A, igneous, B, magma, C, metamorphic, or D, sedimentary. Number 10 gives us a chart here, and we see X, Y, and Z. It says, in the diagram of the rock cycle, which processes are represented by X, Y, and Z? So X says metamorphic changes into magma. Y says magma changes into igneous rock. And Z says igneous rock changes into sediments. So looking at that, is it F, heating, melting, cooling? G, melting, cooling, cementing? H, melting, cooling, weathering? Or J, heating, melting, weathering? All right, when you're done, you may go ahead and turn this off. If you need to redo a question, you can rewind to find it and re-listen. And then you either keep your test or turn it in, whatever your teacher has asked you to do. Thanks.